Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 6. We will discuss about chapter 6, that is safety and first aid. In the previous lectures, we had discussed how can we save on the road and at home. So when we have to when we follow some rules, some precautions, then we can be safe on the road also, and if we are in the home, then also in the home we are safe, but we have to follow some rules or some precautions. Today we are going to discuss about safety from fire. So class, first of all, see if you have any example of burning or any experience of burning in your life, then you will know this burning sensation is very you can say very pathetic, very bad, or very bad. I mean, you will feel very bad if you burn somewhere, or a little burn also gives you a very painful feeling. So here we have to understand the rules of safety very well, and then we have to take care of that. So normally fire causes because of the electric appliances we use in our day-to-day life, or the gas, that is the cooking gas which we use in our normal day, or sometimes like firecrackers also cause a painful sensation of burning. So how can we prevent, how can we help ourselves, or how can we be safe from fire? So here, first of all, whenever we are cooking, then we have to use proper cloths to catch to touch the vessel, or to move the vessel from one place to another place. Means to touch the hot pots or hot vessels, we use a proper type of cloths for uh, removing the vessel from one place to another place. So this is the first, this is the very first step. You have to take care of that. The second thing, whatever the electric appliance or electric gadgets present in our home, we have to check them time to time, and also the wires we have to check from time to time. And if you find that if there is any crack in the plastic cover of the wires, we should remove them with the help of proper electrician or proper mechanic, so that we can be safe. Then the next thing is, never put kerosene stove on the floor, because if anyway, if the kerosene falls on the ground, then we may suffer from a outbreak of fire, and this fire is very bad. Suppose at the time of cooking, fire take place in the very vessel or in the very pan we are cooking, and if the fire take place, then what we have to do, we have to cover that with a lid to smoother the fire, and then we use baking soda to extinguish the fire. Never use water to extinguish a fire which is caused because of oil, because we all know oil is lighter than water, and oil comes on the upper surface of the water and keeps on burning, and because of water the fire spreads. So this is one of the very important thing which we need to take care of that. The next thing is, you have seen in the many movies or many television programs that during the cooking, the chefs or the cooks use a special type of cloth to wear in the front, that is cotton cloth. Be very careful, class students, that whenever you are using fire for any purpose, or using fire for playing also, like using crackers, that firecrackers, if you are enjoying with them, you have to wear cotton cloths, because these cotton cloths burn very slowly. First of all, it will take time to start burning, and then it will burn very slowly, and if it burns also, it does not stick with your skin, it will burn and moves away. But the synthetic cloths or the polyester ones, they burn very fast and they stick to your skin. So the injury is very, if you injured because of fire, then this injury is very bad and very much painful for you or for anyone who is wearing a polyester or a synthetic fiber and doing with works with fire or doing fire playing with firecrackers. So we have to take care of this. Okay class, so these are the some set of some rules or some precautions. If you take care of them, you are safe from the fire. So class, I hope you are able to understand these rules, these precautions from fire. If any problem class, ask me, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.